Today I'm working on an instrument cluster from Ford Focus. It looks like this. There is something wrong with the board. The engine sometimes is starting, sometimes not, and there's a lot of communication errors between modules. Sometimes the engine is stalling or shutting off. And after diagnostics, I came to a conclusion that this board is faulty. It's a common fault on this type of units, of clusters. Let me show you what the problem is. As you can see under the microscope, this is the connector, the only connector of the unit, and you can see some cracks in those joints, one here, one here, one here. So we have 3 on the top, 3 cracked joints, this one as well, this. So I have to redo the soldering. I'm gonna apply flux. And I'm gonna apply just a tiny bit of solder at every joint. I don't want to apply too much solder, because on the back of the board we're gonna have bridges between the pins. But I have to tell you, not every time this solution fixes the problem. There are many problems with those boards, and sometimes you have to change even the processor or other drivers. For now, I think it's okay. I know what I did now fixes the board because of the errors that I read from a diagnostic tool. there are specific errors or failures that comes with other solutions. And I think this is good now. This is done. I'm gonna assemble the unit. I have to put the needles in the same position that were before, but I know from experience exactly where they stop. So as long as I have the board on the bench, I want to clean. And it's done. Thank you for watching. Let's do something else.